You guys don't want rolling chairs, huh? Roll backwards.
They got this though. BioFreaks, raise your hand. All right, DJ, close, boogie.